Are you looking to convert your written text into high-quality speech using an AI tool? Look no further than this step-by-step guide from SamIThub. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Uberduck Text-to-Speech tool to generate lifelike speech from any text. As an expert in the field, I believe this tutorial will be valuable to anyone who wants to create engaging audio content, whether for podcasts, videos, or other applications. First, open Google search and type SamIThub. Click on first link samithub.com and open it. Click on the article Uberduck AI Text-to-Speech, a game changer in voice technology. And read the article if you want, otherwise drag to the bottom and click on the button Uberduck Text-to-Speech Try Now. This link will redirect you to the main page. Click on Text-to-Speech. When you open, there are a few options available for Generate Voice. First, choose a voice type. In second option, choose a character or person. In third, type your text, which you want to output in audio format. After the completion, click the Synthesize button. After click on Synthesize, your audio file will ready. Click on Play button and listen your audio file. After completion, click on Action button and download your audio and enjoy. So friends, this is our today video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming interesting videos, because SamIThub is a YouTube channel dedicated to helping viewers learn about the latest developments in AI and other cutting-edge technologies. With a focus on practical tutorials and step-by-step guides, SamIThub provides an accessible introduction to these complex topics. To access more content from SamIThub, visit their website at samithub.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.